How AI can help to reduce costing in terms of preventive maintenance.
AI can help to reduce costing in terms of preventive maintenance in the perspective of AI-based sewage treatment plant in the following ways. Predictive maintenance. AI can be used to predict when equipment is likely to fail, allowing for preventive maintenance to be performed before a breakdown occurs. This can save money on costly repairs and downtime. AI can be used to predict equipment failure in a number of ways. One way is to analyze historical data on equipment failures. This data can be used to identify patterns and trends that can be used to predict future failures. For example, if a particular type of pump has a history of failing after 10,000 hours of operation, AI can be used to predict when the next pump failure is likely to occur. Condition monitoring. AI can be used to monitor the condition of equipment in real time, identifying any potential problems before they cause a failure. This can help to prevent unplanned outages and reduce the need for emergency repairs. Automated tasks. AI can be used to automate many of the tasks involved in preventive maintenance, such as scheduling inspections, ordering parts, and generating reports. This can free up maintenance staff to focus on more critical tasks, such as troubleshooting and repairs. Better decision-making. AI can be used to analyze data from sensors and other sources to make better decisions about preventive maintenance. For example, AI can be used to determine the optimal time to replace equipment, the most effective maintenance schedule, and the best way to allocate resources.